Welcome back to another video. So you guys are playing Cooking Clash, just free trial.
Welcome to the tutorial. Ready to become a master chef? Let's start by learning how to prepare and serve delicious dishes based on customer orders.
Hi, I'll have a burger for here, thank you.
See what they want. The icons show the ingredients and the dish they're asking for.
Why?
This customer wants a delicious hamburger. Let's get started. First, pick up a clean plate. Follow the blue arrow to quickly find the ingredients you need. Place the plate. Nice work. Now, let's quickly grab the bottom bun and place it on the plate, but be careful. Each ingredient counts. Nice and steady. Now, let's add a fresh piece of lettuce to the burger. Nice work. Now pick up the raw patty and carefully place it in the frying pan to cook. While the patty cooks, make sure to keep an eye on it. A raw or burnt patty won't taste good, and we want this burger to be perfect. I'll let you know when it's just right. It's ready. Take the patty out of the... Great job. Now, just add the top bun to finish your delicious creation. The burger looks amazing. Serve it up and watch the customer enjoy them. Look, the customer loves it. Let's see how much they'll pay for your tasty burger.
Oh my gosh, this burger is awesome!
He just committed cannibalism.
Wow, that's a big tip. Don't forget to collect your hard-earned money. Congratulations, you've successfully completed the tutorial. Well done.
He committed cannibalism.
It's a chow time! Could I have a large Coke with extra ice?
What? Why do you look like that?
I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true? I need ice cream to survive. Bring it to me now.
My parents went to this restaurant before and they never came back.
Yeah, you're eating them. Chocolate.
My stomach is a roast! Steak with extra, ladies, please. Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch. It's as hot as hell outside. Give me ice cream.
Shut up.
This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever. I'd like to order a burger. Be quick. Oh my gosh, this burger is awesome!
It's a chow time. I wanted something appetizing. Could I have spicy steak?
No.
The best ice cream I ever have. You saved my summer. I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true?
You're welcome.
This place is AA Bandale. They have the craziest chef ever.
Hey, you don't.
My parents went to this restaurant before, and they never came back.
Please don't kill me.
No, I won't kill you. I won't kill you. I like that.
I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true? I'm on a diet. A salad will be good.
It's a chow time!
Oh my god, monkey's back.
It's burning outside. Do you have ice Coke?
I feel full of energy. The salad's great.
This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever.
No more pigs in this place. Oh, monkey, no!
It's a chow time! Could I have fries with some salt on top?
Are they yet? Yeah. doing? I don't have a gun. Oh, I do. Close.
I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true? Triple drumsticks, hurry up, I'm starving!
No.
This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it. I really need some sweet ice cream to fix my bad day.
Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch.
It's a chow time!
What do you want?
Give me Coke, I'm parched.
Are you ready for Christmas? Do you have ice cream? It's hot enough to boil my bum.
This place is a urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever.
I surrender! Surrender!
This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it. I can everything you want. Could I have some lettuces on my steak?
What did you just say?
My stomach is a roast!
Monkey gets died, monkey died, monkey died, monkey died.
Oh, jingle bells! Jingle bells! Jingle all the way!
A
Just
really
don't shot
cozy
me. I get
place.
everything you want!
Could I get a salad? I'm vegan.
My friend told me it's a hidden gem. I'd like to order a burger. Be quick.
I feel full of energy. This salad's great. A really cozy place. It's as hot as hell outside. Give me ice cream.
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! I'm on a diet. A salad will be good.
ルマズトルドミ5つはヒドンジェムコードアイハブ3クリスピーチキンドラムス
My parents went to this restaurant before, and they never came back.
This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it! I'd like to order a burger. Be quick.
Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch.
Why is she
I'm
ordering
on a
chicken?
diet. A salad will be good. Awesome! Your drumsticks are better than KFC. I feel full of energy. This salad's great.
Got angry at me, honest.
Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch.
Don't act what just happened.
Could I have fries with some salt on top?
Yes, sir.
I'm a vegetarian. Any salad for me?
A really cozy place.
I love this salad. It's so fresh and tasty.
I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true? I'd like some drumsticks, country, please.
Oh, jingle bells! Jingle bells! Jingle all the way!
A really cozy place. It's It's dessert time. Ice cream, please. I thought the GTA 6 still on sale yet.
My ancestors went to this restaurant before, and they never come back.
Your drumstick is bloody lovely.
This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it. Triple drumsticks, hurry up, I'm starving.
It's a chow time. Could I get a burger? I'm starving.
This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever.
That's not what I want. Could you bring me what I ordered? This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever.
Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch. Triple drumsticks, hurry up, I'm starving.
Give me Coke, I'm cracked!
Are you ready for Christmas? I really need some sweet ice cream to fix my bad day.
Someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true? Could I have a large Coke with extra ice?
My parents went to this restaurant before, and they never came back.
Your skills are the best, I heard! Ho-ho-ho! I want my fries have bite more fever.
I want this one.
My parents went to this restaurant before, and they never came back. Don't shot me. I can everything you want.
My stomach is a roast! I'd like to order a burger. Be quick!
Man, you're supposed to be a bitch.
A really cozy place!
Get over here. Steak from a
Don't
lamb.
stop me. I can everything you want.
This place is an urban tale. They have the craziest chef ever.
This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it.
A really cozy place!
A really cozy place.
This place is Urban Tale. They have the craziest chef ever.
My stomach is a roast!